Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to add and how to remove a e-wallet shortcut to quick settings in Realme 14x phone. So, where are our quick settings? We need to swipe up from up to down on the right side of the screen, and here are our settings. To customize this layout, we need to tap the pencil button on the bottom left, and now we have options that we can add from here. For example, e-wallet. So we can tap it once and e-wallet appears in our quick settings. To remove it, we need to tap the pencil once again and then tap the minus icon closed in the e-wallet icon, and when we go back, the e-wallet is now off. And that's all. Goodbye.